Hey everyone, I'm back. Welcome to AP Comparative Government. In this video, we're going to explore Unit 1, Topic 7, Federal and Unitary Systems. We're going to cover what a federal and a unitary system is and how power is distributed in each of these systems. We're going to look at our AP 6 countries to determine which countries are federal, which countries are unitary, and then we're going to look at the pros and cons of each model. So let's dive right in and get started. Political systems can be classified based on how power is divided between the central and local governments. In a federal system, power is divided between national and subnational units, states or provinces. You can think of the United States. We have a federal government and then we have 50 state governments. Mexico and Nigeria are the same. They both have federal systems where the states have constitutionally guaranteed powers, but they also have a central government. In unitary systems, on the other hand, power is concentrated in the central government, which may delegate, but can also retract local authority as the government sees fit. China, Iran, and the UK are all unitary states, although the UK has begun to devolve powers down to Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. So it's kind of going more toward a federal system, although it is not officially there. Federalism means that local governments have real constitutionally protected powers. Local units can create laws, policies, budgets. Citizens may have different rights or services depending on the region that they live in. In Nigeria, state governors have significant power over education and policing. In Mexico, state legislatures operate independently of the federal government. Federalism is great because it accommodates diverse populations by giving regional groups some autonomy. Unitary systems, on the other hand, the central government is supreme. Local governments exist at the discretion of the national authority and only at the discretion of the national authority. Laws and policies are typically uniform across a country. Now, uniform laws means that people aren't treated differently no matter where they live. So that's good for the unitary system. In China, the Communist Party controls all levels of government. The UK has devolved powers to Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, but Parliament can override them as they see fit. So unitary systems can respond quickly in case of an emergency, enforce national unity, but they're going to struggle to represent regional needs. So looking at the two systems, federal systems allow for regional autonomy, while unitary systems have efficient decision-making across the regions. Federal systems accommodate diversity, while unitary systems have uniform policies. Federal systems can cause policy inconsistency, while unitary systems can risk over-centralization. And finally, federal systems have the potential for regional inequality, but under the unitary system, local needs may be ignored. The system a country chooses often reflects its history, its geography, and its ethnic makeup. Nigeria's federalism helps manage its ethnic and regional diversity. The south of Nigeria religiously is different than the north of Nigeria. China's unitary model reinforces central control and ideological uniformity. If you look at the world map, China sits in 5 or 6 time zones, but the only time zone they use is the one in Beijing because that is where the central government lies. So let's do a quick review. Federal systems divide power between national and local governments, like in Mexico and Nigeria. Unitary systems concentrate power in a central government, like China, Iran, and the UK. Each model has advantages and trade-offs. Understanding these systems help us see how states manage power and regional diversity. Well, that's it for federal and unitary systems. Thanks for watching. Keep studying smart for that AP exam. Next up, we'll be looking at 1.8, political legitimacy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos in AP Comparative Government.